Hey, hello and welcome back you guys. I am Sajal and you are watching Editor, a channel completely dedicated to Photoshop related content and many more. And if you are interested in photo manipulation, speed art related content, then please subscribe, like and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future update. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. In today's design world, we can see a lot of gradient related design works from logos, banners, posters to various websites. Gradients are all over the place, but if we use the right colors to the right places, they look amazing in a design. So in this video, we look at the top 6 trendy gradients for 2021. So let's start.